Okay. Yes. So I hope you can see me and hear me. So very good. So good evening, everyone. So good evening, everyone. And today is Saturday. Okay. So today is foundation class. So yesterday we started few things. So we're going to continue that. Okay. We're going to continue that. So first, let us greet each other, and then we'll start today's class. Okay. So Shri Krishna, Janvi Patel, then Sujana, Sanjana, Sneha, Yash, Janvi ma'am, then Mohita, Shravana, Priyanka, Samruddhi, Pranamya, Srihari, and everyone. Okay, everyone. Good evening, all. Okay, good evening. So now let us start today's class. Let us start today's class. And today, okay, as most of you know, we have festival. Okay, Nagar Panchami festival. So happy Nagar Panchami festival for everyone. So those who celebrate, those who do not celebrate, also happy Nagar Panchami festival. Okay, and oh wait, so I will show one pic. Don't know. Ah yes. This looks good. Okay, so uh, I hope you had celebrations, you made some sweets and all that. Okay, but just take care. Okay, take care. Due to COVID situations, just be safe. Okay, nice. So now let's going. So yesterday, if you remember, uh, I showed you the college video. Okay, which college did we see yesterday? Which college did we see yesterday? Okay, yesterday, yes. So we were discussing about the medical colleges. Okay, the medical colleges. Yesterday, I just showed you AIMS. Okay, so AIMS campus, AIMS Patna. Okay, cool. So now today we will see some more interesting things about medical colleges. Okay, so first I'll show you this video and then we'll get going. Okay, I just want to ask again, how many of you want to become doctor? How many of you want to become doctor? Okay, you can just click on the yes icon. Okay, you can click on the yes icon. Those who are interested, okay, in doctor, okay, you can click on the yes icon. Okay, so some of you want to become doctor. Okay, good. Okay, so now if you want to become a doctor, then you should also have a strong reason, okay, for becoming a doctor. I sincerely suggest that. Okay, so why? I'm going to tell you in some time. Okay, cool. So now let us see. So as you saw, being doctor is a respectable profession. Okay, so you have to do selfless service. Okay, so think again if you really are interested in doctor, because as you saw here, many people trust doctor blindly. Okay, and you cannot make business out of this profession, because nowadays that is exactly what is happening. Okay, so every hospital, okay, every medical institute is business. Okay, so they are just looting lot of money from the patients. Okay, so you just think again, if you really want to serve, then do good job. Okay, so first let us discuss about the medical profession. So yesterday I had written somewhere here. Okay, yes, cool. So now we'll continue. Okay, we'll continue with AIMS. So I have to tell you about the entrance exam, the fees, okay, what will be your salary, okay, and how many years you should study, and all those, okay, all those details. So which I'm gonna write over here. Colleges. Okay, yes. So I'm gonna write here medical. Okay, so the best college is AIMS. Okay, All India Institute of Medical Sciences. Okay, All India Institute of Medical Sciences. Okay, so this is your AIMS. So in India, so they have established almost 14, okay, colleges. across India. Okay, first we had AIMS Delhi, which was the best, followed by AIMS Bhopal. Okay, and other places. Now there are almost 14 colleges across the country. Okay, Telangana, Punjab. Okay, everywhere. Karnataka, no. Okay, Karnataka, no. Okay, other states, so they have established. Okay, so maybe new campuses also they are adding. So this is what I am aware of. Okay, so Janvi says now they are 16. I'm not sure. As far as I know, maybe 4 new colleges also they are adding. Okay, they keep adding new colleges so that the number of students, aspirants who are medical, they should get seat. No, that's why. Okay, and the best part. Okay, the best part is the fees. Okay, you'll be very surprised to know the fees is some 5,800 something. Okay, the fees is just this much per year. Okay, because this is directly under central government. Okay, so central government, so they only take care of all the other things. You just have to pay only this much. Okay, even your school fees is more than this. Okay, how many of your school fees is more than the fees I have written there? How many of your school fees is more than the fees that have mentioned in the screen, on the screen? Okay, so this is for those merit based students, okay, who got a seat in AIMS. Okay, so this is almost 5,800 something it is there. Okay, so you see extra expenses the government will bear. Okay, the government, central government will take care, because as I said, all these colleges are directly under central government and they are institute of national importance. You see here, institute of national importances. Okay, and another important thing, okay, that you need to notice here is that, so the competition is too much. Okay, so till 2019 AIMS had a separate exam. Okay, AIMS separate exam was there. Okay, so till 2019. Okay, but now from 2020 onwards, okay, only one. Okay, any medical college you want to join, you have to attempt the exam called NEET. Okay, NEET exam. Okay, so single exam, this is not there. Okay, only NEET exam. You have to clear NEET exam and you have to take admission into all the every medical college, not only AIMS, JIPMER, okay, AFMC, everything. Okay, every medical college in the country, only one exam. Okay, single exam for all medical colleges. Okay, and clearing the exam is not difficult. Exam everybody can clear. Okay, so please understand the difference. Everybody can pass 10th standard exam. 45% also you take your pass, 35% also you take your pass, 95% you take also your pass. But who is a better student, 95% or 35%? Who do you think is a better student? Okay, who do you think is a better student? So those who score very high marks, they are better student. Okay, here also same concept. Clearing the exam is easy, everybody can clear the exam. Okay, but you should be in the top level. Okay, that is what matters. So the NEET exam is of 720 marks. 720 marks exam, in which bio is of 360 marks, chemistry 180 marks, I will write here, then physics 180 marks. Okay, so this is the split. Okay, this is the split up. Okay, so this is the split up. 720 marks, okay, in which biology is 360, chemistry 180, physics 180. This is the paper. This is the paper. You don't have any choice. You have to attempt full, complete paper of 720 marks. You have to attempt, and this is how the grading happens. Okay, correct answer plus 4 marks. Okay, wrong answer minus 1 mark. Okay, wrong answer minus 1 mark. Okay, so MCQ, all of this is an MCQ. Okay, multiple choice questions, MCQ exam. Correct answer 4 marks, wrong answer 1 mark. Okay, so simple, easy exam. Okay, so the cutoff, okay, the interesting thing is the cutoff. So this is very important. Okay, cut off. So out of 720, if you want a good college, okay, first let us talk about AIIMS. Okay, for AIIMS itself, okay, the stakes are too high. Okay, the stakes are too high because the number of seats is very less. AIIMS Delhi, maximum 100 seats, maximum 100. Lakhs of students write the exam for that 100 seats. Okay, lakhs of students write the exam. Okay, as you can see, of course, there is negative marking. I hope you know, I have written here, wrong answer -1. -1 means negative marking only. Okay, wrong answer -1 mark. So if you cannot understand, then I will write it. Negative marking is, of course, man. What do you think? This is all competitive exams. All competitive exams will have negative marking. Okay, all the competitive exams will have negative marking. Okay, cool. So everything I'll tell. Time duration, everything I'll wait. What? Samadhan. So little patience, Samadhan. Okay. So cutoff. Okay, for AIIMS, easily you got to score more than 680 plus. Okay, you got to score 680 plus easily. Okay, if you want to be sure, 700 plus. Okay, 700 plus, more than 700 you must score. Other colleges like JIPMER and all, so at least you got to have 650. So AFMC is Armed Force Medical College. Okay, so all of this 600 plus minimum you should score, and trust me, touching 600 is very challenging task. Okay, touching 600, you may see, sir, 720, 600 aram se will get, you won't get. Okay, you won't get, very difficult. Okay, very difficult. In Karnataka, okay, so you have colleges like BMC. Okay, in Karnataka, this is for Karnataka, I'm telling. Okay, Karnataka, you have the best college, Bangalore Medical College. Okay, then you got to have KIMS. Okay, so all those things are there. Okay, but anyway, if you want to be really sure of the marks, I'm telling now, 600 plus you should be there. But even if you get around 550 plus also, you can be little confident. Okay, you can be little confident about getting a seat. 550 is sufficient minimum. Okay, if not first round, they have second round counseling and all that, you will get it. Okay, overall 600 is good. If not 600, at least 550. Right here. Okay, at least 550 marks you have to score. Okay, at least 550 marks you should score out of 720. Okay, out of 720. Right here, out of 720 you have to score this much. Okay, minimum, if you want to get a very decent college. I'm not telling good, telling decent college. Okay, because all the other colleges, they're going to rip you off of the fees. Okay, minimum 1.5 lakh to 2 lakhs fees will be there. Private colleges to gone case. Okay, so you have to get very good score, and after that, you have to study for 4 years, almost 4.5 years. Okay, 4 to 4.5 years plus. So you got to have 1 year. Okay, you got to have 1 year as an internship. Okay, practicing under a big doctor. And some states like Karnataka, they have 1 year rural service. That means you have to go to village, and 1 year you have to be the village doctor. Okay, like that conditions are there which you have to satisfy. Okay, and this is just MBBS. Your studies will not stop at MBBS. MBBS doctor is not that useful. You have to do specialization. You have to do specialization for another 2 years. Okay, so now you calculate, okay, how much you have to study. 4 years plus, oh my, okay, so I keep this for charging. So 4 years plus 1 year, whatever internship or village doctor, all that. Okay. And after that, you have to study for another 2 years specialization. That might get extended to 3 years also. Okay. So after all this, now you become a proper specialized doctor, whatever the heart surgeon, okay, or ophthalmologist, okay, cardiologist, or whatever you want to become. Okay. So this is the entire thing. Okay. So I think the duration, okay, the duration for the exam should be of 3 hours. Okay. So 3 hours exam. Okay. And regarding the salary, okay, first thing I'll tell, if you really are interested in the salary part so much, please drop the idea. Okay. Please drop the idea. Doctor job is not for getting or making money. Okay. You have to serve people without taking fees also. That is a true doctor. If you're interested in the salary so much, there are other professions where you can make money. Okay. You want to make money, join those jobs. Okay. Doctor, please don't make money in doctor. Okay. Whatever minimum basic salary you get, you should be happy with that. Okay. So first I'll just write here everything. 4 years. Wait, what happened to my pencil? Okay, 1 second. It is writing. हाँ, 4 years plus 1 year internship and optional 1 year village. Okay, village service or rural service. Okay, so after this you have to do specialization of around 2 years. That is, postgraduate. Okay, post graduation. Okay, so after all this, depending on which colleges you graduated from, so salary overall can start around with 80,000 per month. Okay, so this is, I'm taking the average one where you have got into the best colleges like AIMS, JIPMER, or AFMC, or KIMS, or something like that. Okay, so that's why you see I use the word approximately. Okay, depends on which type of specialized you are. Okay, so this is okay, so this is the overall thing. Okay, this is the overall thing. Okay, and now, sincere request, I have a friend of mine, okay, so who is a doctor, but I do not like him. Ask me why. Okay, you can type and ask me why. Okay, ask me why I do not like him. Okay, the reason is, I'll just write his name. His name is Yes. Okay, so he is now a proper MBBS doctor, specialization, everything over. Okay, so the problem is, he spent lot of money for his education. Okay, for doctor education. So he took loan, his father sold some property and all. So overall, as far as I am aware, almost 30 lakh or something he has spent. Okay, post graduation, UG, PG, everything, UG, PG, etc. Everything overall, he has spent this much, for education. Okay, now he has to pay back the loan. Okay, has to pay back the loan. I'm going to write here, loan payback. Okay, so what he is doing now is that he is charging lot of money from his patients. Any patient, whoever comes, 300 rupees minimum consultation fees. Okay, and he has his own clinic also. There also, unnecessarily charging very high amount unnecessarily. Okay, how do I know? He only tells me because he is helpless. If he do not charge that money, how will he pay the loan? Okay, you see, that loan is too much. Okay, that loan is too much. So he is now charging lot of money from patients. Okay, charging a lot of money from patients. Do you think it is correct? Okay, do you think it is correct? How many of you say what he's doing is correct? Okay, click on yes icon if you think he is doing correct. Click on no icon if you think he's doing wrong. Okay, most of you tell he's doing wrong, but you think no. Okay, loan amount is there. Who will pay? Who will pay the loan? 30 lakhs you will pay. I should pay. Who should pay? He should pay. Correct now. If he doesn't make money, then how to come out of the loan? Okay, how to come out of the loan? Okay, now is in a fix. Okay, Papa can't help. Okay, helpless situation. Helpless situation. Okay, so think again. Do not be a bad doctor like him. He himself tells that what he's doing is wrong. Okay, he himself tells what he's doing is wrong, but that is how life is. Okay, so this UG is MBBS, man. UG means undergraduate. Okay, PG means postgraduate. UG is your MBBS. MBBS is your UG. Okay, PG is your specialization. Okay, see, for graduation you have undergraduate. Okay, undergraduate, this is your MBBS. Then postgraduate. Okay, that is your specialization. Whatever your specialization is, I told now heart, okay, or ENT specialist, or only eye doctor, all that. Okay, so we call it as UG and PG. Okay, for example, I am a BTech, I am engineering. Okay, BTech is UG. Okay, what is my PG? Okay, what is my post graduation? Masters. Okay, masters, MTech, okay, or MS. All those are post graduation. Okay, after you finished your graduate, okay, that is post graduate. Okay, that is I thought you should know all this, man. These are the simple terms which you should be aware. Okay, UG, PG. Okay, UG means undergraduate. Okay, postgraduate means PG. Okay, postgraduate means PG. Okay, so this is how MBBS is. You have to at least 10 years dedicated hard work and studies. Okay, if you think you can do this, and selfless, I'm telling again, selfless. I do not want any of you to be a doctor like my friend. Never. That is cheating. You are playing with people's life. Okay, so do not do that. Okay, if you really want to make money, there are other professional courses. Join that, make money. Okay, here don't be selfish about making money. Okay, it is a selfless profession. Okay, so make sure that you do a good job. Okay, you do a good job. No money, don't run behind money. Selfless job. Okay, no money making. Okay, you cannot and you should not. Okay, so this is the idea. Okay, so this is the idea. So this was it. Okay, this was it. And if you're still interested in some other things, okay, so just let me know. I'm going to run today's class. Okay, so I'm going to run today's class. Okay, so sincere request again. So those who want, okay, so those who want to make money, so there are other various job sectors there you can make. Okay, see, in doctor, as I showed, a small mistake of yours can end somebody's life. Okay, can end somebody's life. Because Shiva Kumar is, what was my NEET score? I'm an engineer. I'm not a doctor. Okay, I'm an engineer. Okay, when I was there, NEET exam was not there. We had AIPMT, All India Pre-Medical Test. Okay, so I am an engineer. I'm not doctor. I did not want to be like this. That's why I did not do medical. Okay, because I knew I don't have so much of money to spend on my education, and later I don't have patience to study for so long, and I don't want to spoil somebody else's life. Okay, that's all. That is why Dr. Bada. I respect everybody who is a doctor, but I do not want to be a doctor. No. Okay, because I want to make money. Simple. I am agreeing. I want to make money. I want to enjoy my life. Okay, I want to lead a beautiful life. Okay, whereas doctor, you have to sacrifice. You don't have a life. Okay, no holiday for you. Emergency call, you should go and attend. Operation, go and attend. You cannot have a dedicated life of your own. No, you should live for your patients. Okay, that is important. Okay, if you are ready to sacrifice so much, you do. Otherwise, don't do. Okay, cool. So this was about medical. So real fast, I need to come back and do the topic. So yesterday, so think again if you want to be a doctor, and I really appreciate and I respect you if you really become a good doctor. Okay, so this was our aims over. Okay, so positive thought. Okay, so real quick, so positive thought. Where is the positive thought? So positive thought, today's positive thought. Okay, July 25. Okay, Kunal. Okay, today's positive thought is from Kunal. Okay, so nothing is permanent. Nothing is permanent except change. Okay, nothing is permanent except change. Okay, so that means everything keeps changing. Okay, so there's nothing which remains forever the same. Okay, so this was Kunal's thought of the day, and next we have Janvi's thought of the day. Okay, so Janvi's thought of the day. First, I'll write, if the people doubt you, doubt how far you can go. The people, some people, they always demotivate you, discourage you. Okay, so those people, if the people doubt how far you can go, okay, then go so far that they can't hear you anymore. Okay, so basically, if there are some people who are kind of inhibiting your growth, okay, so what you should do, you should let your success speak for yourself. Okay, let your success speak. Okay, you need not defend anybody. You achieve so much of success that they should be surprised by how much successful you are. Okay, it's very good. So these are today's thoughts of the day. Okay, now we'll continue. Okay, this. Okay, cubes. Okay, so cubes, we have to do question answer solving. Okay, question answer solving. So other thoughts of the day, I told you now, no Zoom chat. You have to send it to me in WhatsApp. Send in WhatsApp, write your name as well as batch, so that I know whose positive thought it is. And in the upcoming classes, I will tell. So other people don't get disappointed. I have many other thoughts also sent by you later. Okay, so later on, I will, in the upcoming classes, I will share with everyone else. Okay, every day, two thoughts. Okay, cool. So now we'll continue with the cubes. Yesterday, how many of you solved worksheet? Yesterday, how many of you solved the cubes worksheet? Okay, if you do not remember, this worksheet. Okay, which worksheet? This worksheet. Man, yesterday I showed no cubes. If you have solved, click on the yes icon. Okay, if you saw at least one question you solved on your own yesterday, click on yes. Okay, click on yes. Okay, if you solved this, okay, this is cubes worksheet. Okay, if you solve this, click on the yes icon. If you did not solve, click on the no icon. Okay, if you haven't solved, then I will solve. That's all. Okay, I just want you to know how to solve each and every question. These are basic, these are simple, easy questions. If you did not solve, click on the no icon so that I am aware that how many of you did not solve, how many of you did not solve. So now I will only solve the questions. I will only solve the questions. So which question, from which question should we start? Okay, which question should we start? Okay, which is the question that we have to do in today's class. Okay, question number 6. Okay, question number 6 onwards we need to start. Okay, so this I have already uploaded in your WhatsApp group. Please go to history and check. Okay, I have uploaded mostly last week itself. Okay, so you just please scroll up in the WhatsApp group and see, you will get it. Okay, so question number 6. So from 6 onwards we'll quickly solve. Okay, so first try to understand the question. A solid cube is painted red on two adjacent faces. Okay, red on two adjacent faces, black on the faces opposite to the red colored faces. Okay, black on the faces opposite to the red colored faces, green on the remaining faces, green on the remaining faces. Then it is cut into 64. Okay, then it is cut into 64 Chotu cubes. Okay, step 1, tell me n. What is n? Who can type and send it to me? What is n? Okay, tell me n. Very good. Suhani answered first, followed by Soham, Janvi, Krishna, everyone. Okay, so n is 4. Very good. Okay, first step you should find n. Okay, so here what I'll do now, I'll just split the screen. Wait, I'll just do one thing. So yesterday we wrote all this. So we'll split the screen. Okay, so I hope you can see. I hope you can see both the screens. Okay, so wait, you can see both the screens. If you cannot see in your mobile only, you can maximize. Okay, ऐसे pinch करके ऐसे करो होता है. Okay, you maximize. Okay, so in your mobile itself. Okay, both the screens. Okay, both the screens fast. Okay, so we are doing question number 6. So for every question, please do a diagram so that you are aware what is happening. Or if you can have that Rubik's cube or something with you, that is also fantastic. Okay, I think I have that box, man. Okay, chodo. So anyways, so this is the question. So they're asking 6, how many smaller cubes have two faces painted, one with green and another with black or red? Okay, so I'm going to underline this. So how many smaller cubes? This I will solve this. Don't worry. Okay. How many smaller cubes have two faces painted, one with green and another with black or red? Okay. Question number 6. How to solve? How to solve? I'm gonna first write the formula. Okay. Two faces. Two faces. So how to do that? So first, right here. Suppose this is my red. This is my red. So opposite to red, I have the the black color. Okay, black color. Then green on the remaining faces. So I'm going to write here green. So green on top and bottom. Okay, red on two adjacent sides. Okay, so this is our diagram wise. So formula for two faces. Okay, two faces painted. Okay, what is the formula? What is the formula for two faces painted? Yesterday we learned the formula for two faces painted. What is the formula? N minus 2 into 12. This is the formula, correct? But here we're going to modify. We're going to modify the formula, and I'm going to write the formula as n minus 2. So next what I'm going to do, into 2 into 2 into 2. Why did I write this? Why did I write this? See the question. So they said green, okay, should have two faces painted, one with green and another with black or red. Okay, so two faces I have green, two faces I have black, and two faces I have red. Okay, so these are the faces. These are the faces. Okay, only two faces they have given no in the question. So if you substitute like this in the formula and solve, you will get the answer. You will get the answer. So we already know that n is equal to n cube 64. So n is equal to 4. So when you substitute here, you will get the answer. Okay, you will get the answer. 2 2s are 4, 4 2s are 8, 8 2s are 16. Okay, you'll get the answer as 16. Okay, simple, because we already know, okay, we already know that green color two face, black color two face, red color two face. Okay, so that is why we modified the formula. We modified this original formula to this, so that we get the answer. If you understood this question, if you understood this question, you can click on the yes icon. Okay, if you understood this question, you click on the yes icon. Okay, so here we are not interested in the derivation of the formula. Okay, derivation of the formula, that is another topic of study. Here we have to solve the question. In the NTSC exam, they will not ask derivation of the formula. If you want to know the derivation of the formula, some other class we can discuss about how did I get this. Okay, we can discuss some other day. I have already given you the clue. If you want, you can think and you will get the answer. What is the clue? Yesterday itself I told here while writing the formula. Okay, while writing, the other class, while writing the formula itself, so I had mentioned, okay, I had mentioned the other day while writing the formula itself, I did not chuma write the formula. I also wrote the reason behind the formula. Okay, you see here, for every formula we wrote the reason. Okay, you see why did I write this in the bracket? This bracket is the clue. Okay, so number of smaller cubes with one face painted. These are the smaller cubes which are present on the face. Okay, like this. I have written the clue. If you are interested, you can see this and understand. Okay, so here nobody will ask derivation of the formula. You have to solve the question. That's why I'm focusing on that. Otherwise, I would have shown you the derivation also. Okay, so we are now focusing on the problem solving, not the derivation part. Okay, but for you to understand the derivation, I have given you the clue already. Okay, I've given you the clue already. Okay, so this is question number 6. Okay, so question number 7. Question number 7, I'm going to launch the poll. Okay, question number 7, I'm going to launch the poll. So you can select the answer from the poll. So let us see if you can do this. A direct question. Okay, question number 7, full formula. Okay, full formula question. How many smaller cubes have one or two of their faces painted? Okay, one or two of their faces painted. Formula, full formula based question. Okay, question number 7. Okay, I've launched the poll. Let us see who can get the answer. Okay, let us see who can get the answer. Okay, see, first we have to finish mental ability test, all this math. That is why me and Mohit sir, we are doing math. When will we do SAT? For understanding SAT, first of all, your SAT 9th standard portion should get over. Only then we can start the SAT. Okay, so that is why first we'll focus on math. Okay, so SAT we will do later. Okay, we'll do later. Okay, if Mohit sir has started, very good, good for him. I will not start till I finish the portions. Still I finish the portions, relevant portions in the science. Okay, because for the SAT, for example, physics, you don't know how to solve motion related question only. Okay, how can you go for advanced level? only once I finish all the motion related mechanics, full laws of first motion, laws of motion, gravitation, all this when I complete, then only I can start all mechanics related problems. I hope you are understanding. Okay, I hope you are, and that whole thing is one, topic, mechanics. Okay, for that to know, we have just now finished motion, laws of motion. Gravitation I did not do only. Okay, after we finish gravitation, okay, then we can together go for the topic. Okay, till then you won't understand. So let's finish off the math first. Okay, if Mohit sir has started max independent topics, that is max he will take care, don't worry. Okay, if he is doing some other thing also, that's up to him. Okay, so question number 7. Okay, so question number 7, I have launched the poll. So if you do not know the answer, I will solve. Okay, so there was 1 or 2 of their faces painted. Okay, so what I will do, what is the formula for one face painted? One face painted. Okay, what is the formula? So we know the formula, that is n minus 2 whole square into 6. Okay, this is for one face painted. So how many cubes have one face painted? So I'm going to first do like this. Okay, so 2 square into 6. So which is nothing but 24. Okay, this 24 cubes have one face painted. But I also want two face. I also want two face painted. Two face painted, how to do? N minus 2 whole square. Sorry, no whole square. N minus 2 into 12. Okay, so here substitute. Okay, substitute and you will get the answer. Okay, that is 24. Okay, that is 24. So now you have to add both. Okay, you have to add both, because you see here there was how many smaller cubes have one or, okay, or two faces painted, one or two faces painted. Okay, so 24 plus 24. So your answer is 24 plus 24, 48 cubes. Okay, 48 cubes is your answer. Okay, so if you understood this question, click on the yes icon. Okay, direct formula based question. You just have to remember all the formula, substitute, that's all. That's all. Okay, apply the formula, you will get the answer. Okay, and I'm just gonna show you the poll result. Okay, so 50% of you have got it correct, but others Papa got confused. Okay, so carefully understand the question first. Okay, and then you can solve, and then you can solve. So now don't worry, 7th question over. Next, let us go to question number 8. Okay, let us go to question number 8. So let us see if we can do question number 8. Okay, so first step, tell me n. Okay, who can tell me question number 8, value of n? Okay, value of n. How to find value of n? Question number 8. Okay, very good. Yes, answered correct. Value of n, yes, told correct. Others, how to find value of n? You see, I gave two formula. I gave two formula to find out value of n. You're not understanding the formula. I gave two formula to calculate value of n. Yes gave correct answer. Janvi gave correct answer. Pranav may also correct. Okay, so carefully understand. Two formula for value of n. Okay, if you don't remember, amazing people. Okay, open your notes and check. Two formula I wrote for value of n. You should know both. Should know both. Value of n. Can you now see the formula for value of n? Okay, first I wrote n cube is equal to number of smaller cubes. Okay, look at the second one. Okay, look at the second one. Apply this and tell me the answer. Okay, apply this. N is equal to length of big cube. Okay, length of big cube edge divided by length of small cube edge. Simple, straightforward. Why are you not using the formula? When everything is just given to you, why are you not taking and using it? Okay, you should use it. No. So what is the answer? If you apply the formula over here, this 10 dimensions, or you take it as 10 inches. Okay, 10 inches, this is 2 inches. Okay, so if you do what, you will get length of big cube edge. Okay, here length of small cube edge. What is that? Very simple. This is 10 inches, this is 2 inches, so you get n as 5 over. Okay, you get n as 5. Okay, so now using this, let me see if you can answer question number 8. Question number 8 is an amazing question. Little you should use your common sense, you should get it. Formula, no, only diagram, only you can get the answer. If you know the diagram, you can get the answer. So let us see who is the smartest out of you. Okay, let me see the smart people answer. If you think you're smart, then you should definitely answer this question. Okay, but at least you can try. Okay, at least you can try. Whatever you feel as the answer, you can type and send it to me. I will also solve. Okay, but let me at least see how many of you can really get this question correct. Question number 8. Okay, question number 8. So already I've started getting answers. Okay, but no, none of the answers are correct. Okay, no. People sent answer, but no one sent correct answer. No. Okay, oh no, all of you are wrong, man. Oh my God. Come on, please try. Okay, please try. You will definitely appreciate this question. Janvi said correct answer. Okay, Janvi said correct answer. Apart from Janvi, everybody else, no, not correct. Okay, Shreyas now said correct answer. Okay, but apart from that, Sujana, okay, correct answer. Now Swayam also correct answer. Okay, but others, at least try. Okay, no problem. I will start the question. Maybe after me starting the question, you will get one idea. Okay, you will get one idea when I start the question. Okay, let's start the Shiva, Sumit. Okay, so everyone correct answer. Okay, so what is the answer? How to solve? Okay, what I'll do, I will help you. Okay, I will help you. Let us first come back. So this question, so you have to carefully see the question. I'm going to do question number 8. Okay, question number 8. So is colored yellow, brown, orange on 3 sets of opposite faces. Okay, 3 sets of opposite. So first I'm going to do a big diagram like this. Okay, so you should be able to visualize. Okay, so over here, so I'm going to take this as yellow. Okay, so this is my yellow. Just assume this is my yellow. Okay, and next I'm going to take brown. So where is brown? Okay, this is my brown. Okay, this is my brown. Okay, that is my brown. On the top I have orange. I'll just write here orange. Okay, cool. So next, what to do? So they have said n is equal to 5. So I'm going to do like this: 1, 2, 3, 4. Okay, 2, 3, 4, like this. Okay, so I just divided. So this is my, okay, so this is my cube. So they're asking how many smaller cubes are painted yellow and brown. Okay, you see, yellow and brown on 2 adjacent faces. Okay, on 2 adjacent faces. So they're asking which are the cubes which are having painted yellow and brown on the 2 adjacent faces. So where are those cubes? So those cubes I'm just going to take this red color. Those are the cubes which are present at these edges. You see, I put one red color. Okay, see here, these are the cubes. Okay, these are the cubes which has yellow and a brown on two adjacent faces. Okay, on two adjacent faces. So yellow and brown on two adjacent faces. It's okay. They did not tell anything about the orange. Okay, you see, did they mention anything about the orange? They don't care. They have said yellow should be there, brown should be there on the adjacent faces. That is the condition. That is the condition. That's all. Okay, that is the condition. Yellow and brown on two adjacent faces, which is this. Okay, so now if I do the Chotu version, okay, if I do the Chotu version of the diagram like this, if I do the Chotu version of the diagram like this, okay, so where are those cubes present? So those cubes are, you see, I'm doing like this, red color. See here, I'm doing red color at the four edges. You see, at the four edges, I'm doing red color. Okay, at the four edges. So now I'm going to write here. So 5 cubes. Okay, at the edge. Okay, 5 cubes at the edge. So how many such edges are there? Look here, 4 such edges are there. So 5 cubes into 4. So you get the answer as 20 cubes. Has yellow and brown. Okay, yellow and brown on the adjacent faces. On the adjacent faces. Okay, so that is why I told this question is little, amazing question. Smart people, you should know. Okay, please practice more. Okay, such questions are the ones you should be able to crack in the competitive exams. Every time, don't depend on formula. Okay, sometimes you should depend on the diagram also. Okay, sometimes you should depend on the diagram as well. Okay, so this was question number 8. Okay, question number 8. So if you understood this question, click on the yes icon. Okay, if you understood this question, click on the yes icon. We did not understand, click on the no icon. Okay, we did not understand, click on the no icon. Papa man, you people. Okay, I must take the cube so that to imagine you understanding the question. I'm just taking the cube. Okay, so I have the box. I don't have Rubik's Cube in my home that is there in the room. Okay, so this is, assume the box, or you want the Rubik's Cube, I can show you the Rubik's Cube. So if you have the Rubik's Cube, it will be very helpful. Okay, Rubik's Cube 5 into 5. I'm going to type here 5 into 5. Okay, so this is our Rubik's Cube. Fantastic. Amazing. Okay, so now you see this is the cube. Instead of white is there, no? Instead of white, take it as yellow. Okay, instead of white, take it as yellow. Instead of green, take it as orange. Okay, here in this diagram I'm talking. Okay, in this diagram, instead of white, take it as yellow. Instead of green, take it as orange. Okay, cool. So now look at the edge. Okay, look at the edge where you have this white, green as well as pink, no? Okay, so similarly the edge what I'm talking here, this edge, now come to, okay, come to this, okay, come to the edge where my diagram is there. Okay, where I put the red color like this. Okay, so where I put the red color like this. Okay, this portion of the cube has, that portion of the cube has yellow and brown. Okay, that portion of the cube has yellow and brown as the adjacent faces. Okay, now when I did like that, okay, how many such portions are there in the cube? You see here the Chotu diagram. Here I darkened red color, okay, darkened red color, and I wrote one statement here, that is 4 edges. Okay, such 4 edges like this, okay, 4 edges like this, those are the portions where you have yellow and brown adjacent faces. Okay, those are the 4 edges where you have yellow and brown as the adjacent faces. Okay, so at each edge, how many cubes are there? 5. How many such edges are there? 4. Okay, so total kitna? How many? 20. Okay, 20. That is why, please, you buy one. Okay, you buy one cube. Okay, you buy one cube. 50 rupees, 100 rupees mil jata hai. Okay, buy one cube. It is always a good habit to have Rubik's cube as well as solving the cube. Okay, so it will definitely be useful. There are different quality of the cubes. Okay, you can buy whichever you want. Okay, so now if you understood the question, click on the yes icon if you understood the question. Okay, if you understood this question, click on the yes icon. Okay, so please solve. Okay, please solve more questions. The more questions you solve, the better person you will become. Okay, so you will get more confidence. So please solve more questions. So I have done till question number 8. Okay, so the remaining questions, okay, from 9 till, like whatever, okay, the 9 till whatever is there, okay, so that you should solve. Okay, that you should solve. So first of all, you read the question. Okay, in the question they have given carefully that opposite faces are there. Okay, yellow, brown, orange. Sri Krishna, your doubt, you see here, yellow, brown, orange are these 3 sets of opposite faces. Okay, so first read the question, understand the question, draw the diagram, formula if required, use. Otherwise, from the diagram only you can get the answer. Okay, so that is why first you should understand the question. So over here also you see only 50%, only 50% of you told the correct answer, man. Other 50% you are struggling. So I hope this week you will sit and solve. Okay, sit and solve all these questions. Okay, till question number 22. So next week also I will also solve all these questions. Okay, each and every question I will also solve. I want to have 100% satisfaction from each one of you. Okay, till then no next topic. No, first to finish this, then the next topic. Okay, cool. So I'm going to end the class, today's class with that. I'm going to end today's class with that. Okay, lot of things got pending, man. Okay, so coming back. Yesterday, did we do Kahoot? We did Kahoot yesterday. Over, no Kahoot? Okay. This was important. Chartman is also pending. Okay, so I can just quickly run with, okay, I can quickly run with the, okay, add activity. Okay, so because this speed mathematics will take time, man. That is, big, lengthy. I need at least 15 minutes for this. Okay, so now I can run with the add activity. I can run with the add activity, or if you want, I can run with the story. Which one you want? Story or add activity? Okay, anyone, fast. Story. Okay, story. Okay, anything which makes you happy. Okay, story. Okay, where is the story, man? Okay, okay, so where did I stop? Okay. So